Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the headlight on this Hyundai i30. This particular model is 2014 and it's the front left hand side headlight we're going to change. We are changing it due to the brackets are broken, all three of them, this one, and one here at the top. So what we'll do is we'll remove all these scrivets to start off with. There's one bolt here, aftermarket, someone fitted it here, and there's a bolt here, bolt there, and a bolt here. Obviously this scrivet is missing, so we're gonna remove this top panel to start off with, and then we'll also have to remove the bolts on this side, and then we'll just pull the bumper towards us to gain access to the light. Just gonna remove these bolts. So this is the aftermarket bolt which someone fitted it in the past. Then we've got a bolt here, one here, there we go. This bolt is just sitting there, and then this scrivet here. There we go. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the wheel arch area to undo the bolts there. Right, so next we're gonna undo these bolts here. These are 18 bolts. There we go. There we go. So now we can pull the bumper towards us to gain access to the headlight. Right, so next I'm going to pull the light out in this manner. It's going to disconnect this harness connector. There we go. Okay, so that's the harness connector fully disconnected. Then what we're going to do is we're going to undo this diagnostic socket bolt, which is a 10mm bolt. So that's gonna free the clamp here. Right, here we go. That's the old broken headlight fully removed from the car. Right, here comes the second hand fully working headlight. So before we fit this, I'm gonna remove these clamps, the broken ones. There we go, that's one. That's two. And the third one here at the top. This one is 12mm bolt. There we go. So that's all the broken clamps removed. Here comes the new light. You can see all the brackets are in good nick. So before we secure it, I'm gonna fit the connector to see if all the bulbs are working fine. I'm gonna be removing the headlight again to change the bulbs. That's the light fully on. Right, so we're gonna secure the 12mm bolt. Right, so next is the 2 10mm bolts. There we go. Right, next we're gonna secure the diagnostic socket clamp which goes here. There we go. So that's that done. So that's all the headlight clamps fully secured. Right, so next we're gonna secure these 2 8mm bolts under the wheel arch. There we go. There's this handle bolt here. There we go. Right, so next we're gonna secure this box here. Right, so next we're gonna fit these skirts here. Right, here we go friends, job done. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.